Morning with you, Miss Yasmin. We are going to cover today Unit 1, Lesson 1, Chemical Reaction. Slide number 2. First, what's meant by chemical reaction? It is the breakup of the bond in the reactant molecules and formation of new bond in the product. Slide number 3. Types of chemical reaction. First, thermal decomposition reaction. They are chemical reaction which involve the breakup of the compound with the effect of heat. Here we have AB. By the effect of B, it will break down the bond to form A plus B. Slide number 4. Types of the thermal decomposition reaction. Decomposition of metal oxide, decomposition of metal hydroxide, decomposition of metal carbonate, metal sulphate, and metal nitrate. Slide number 5. Thermal decomposition of metal oxide. Here we put little amount of red mercury oxide in a test tube. Heat the test tube by using a flame. Put lighted match close to the tube. Sulfur precipitate is formed at the bottom of the tube. The burning match glow more and increase. Explanation: the red mercury oxide decomposes by the effect of heat into sulfur precipitate, which is called mercury, and oxygen gas evolve that increase the glowing of the match. So here we have metal oxide. By the effect of heat, it will make metal and oxygen gas. Slide number 6. Thermal decomposition of some metal hydroxide. Here we put little amount of blue copper hydroxide in a test tube. Heat the test tube by using a flame. A black substance is formed. The blue copper hydroxide decomposes by the effect of heat into black copper oxide and water vapor. So here the metal hydroxide by heat, it changes into metal and oxygen gas. So the blue copper hydroxide by the heat, it will make copper oxide and water vapor. Slide number 7. Thermal decomposition of metal carbonate. Here we have put little amount of copper carbonate in a test tube. Heat the test tube. A black substance is formed. Explanation: the green copper carbonate decomposes by the heat into copper oxide. Its color is black, and the carbon dioxide. And we can test the carbon dioxide by lime water, which turbid and it changed into milky. Slide number 8. Thermal decomposition of metal sulphate. Here we put copper sulphate in a test tube. Its color is blue. By heat the test tube, a black substance is formed. Explanation: the copper sulphate decomposes by heat into black copper oxide and sulfur trioxide. Slide number 8. Number 9. Sodium nitrate, its color is white. By the effect of heat, it decomposes into yellowish white color with sodium nitrite, and oxygen gas is come out that increase the glowing of the match. Slide number 10. The airbag. Here we have sodium azide. By the effect of heat of the electric spark, it will make sodium and nitrogen gas. The nitrogen gas fills the airbag. Slide number 11. Write scientific term. Number 1. Break up the bond between the molecules of the reactant and give new bond in the product. It is called chemical reaction. 2. The chemical reaction in which compound is broken up into a simpler one by the effect of heat is called thermal decomposition reaction. Thank you.